everybody, welcome back to another mother freaking video. Back with your girl Marianne. What's good? I haven't been on here in so long and I'm so sorry for that shit. I have been so busy. This is actually the Phantom of the Opera look. I was looking around online on the on YouTube at videos like what everybody else was doing, and people were doing more of like the mask drawn in or even taping the mask, like not taping it but like gluing it on the face, which was pretty dope. But I wanted to do this because I've always been intrigued by when he takes off the mask in the movie. I haven't done a burned face in like at all at all. Yeah, let's just stop talking and tune into the fucking video because I'm gonna take forever. So if you want to know, obviously you're here for it, so I'm not even gonna ask you. Psh, I hope we're good. Okay, bitches. I went ahead and did one eyebrow off because this is obviously going to be covered up. I already had cut this, basically measuring my face. A pretty petite face. This was actually very fucking big. This was like a whole nother mask of this, and I had to measure it to my face and then just like cut it according to that. I think that right now it looks pretty good. Honestly, I'm still deciding as we are speaking what I'm gonna do underneath because there's a couple stories to the Phantom of the Opera. I am sucked in on all of them. I actually watched the movie, the 2004 movie. I don't know if there was a movie before that or if it's only one movie because I know that it's a play. We're not gonna get into that until after, but for right now I am just going to outline my face. I'm just gonna outline a little bit with a white pencil, that way I can see where the marks are and I can just get started on this face, on this side, half of the face, and then finish off. I know it looks so fucking weird, but whatever. I'm just gonna go on this side, start with my foundation. I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Foundation, and I'm just going to do my makeup on this side. So I'm just gonna blend that out real quick. For concealer, I've been using the same foundation, just a lighter shade, and this kind of worked like the Shape Tape concealer. Honestly, it has the same undertone to it, and I feel like it kind of does the same thing. I'm going to just set my makeup real quick, and I'm using some Bennye banana powder. And I'm sorry if I'm going like all fast on this part. I really don't want you guys to be focused more on this part because I want the most focus to be on this part, since it's going to be more of like SFX, whatever I end up doing. I have no idea what I'm gonna be even doing either way. For this look, I'm just gonna take my Anastasia Soft Glam palette and I'm just going to just do a look. I think I'm just gonna go with Sienna with a smaller brush. Honestly, like I said, I'm not worried about the look. I'm not. Then for my lid, I'm just gonna go with like a gold. I feel like none of my brushes are clean. What the f. Now I'm gonna go with bronze, which is like a gold, like a bronzy gold, and I'm actually going to spray that color just so I can intensify it a little bit more. And I actually, for all of my Halloween tutorials, or not even Halloween tutorials, just looks in general, I like to be extra careful with my eyeshadow, so spraying the brush, that way the eyeshadow can stay on longer, just because, you know, Halloween is a whole different thing and makeup has to stay on for a fat minute. So the lashes that I'll be using are by Muse. These lashes are so bomb. I just started using these lashes and I bought actually 3. Actually no, I bought only 1. I got the hookup for it at Glam Powder Room. My homegirl Jackie from Glam Powder Room hooked it up. And these are in the style Wink It Off, I believe. So fucking bomb, man. Zoe! Zoe! Can you please go get my clothes, the black ones? Okay, and now I'm gonna be trying.
Shout out to
Zoe.
me.
Hey.
Get out. Go follow me on Instagram, please.
Close the door, bitch. Thank you. These lashes aren't like crazy dramatic, but they're not like soft, like really soft. Like I can really make these lashes work, you feel me? Okay, so now it's time to finish this side. I'm so over this side of the look. I want to jump into this. I want to jump into the crazy part. I kind of wanted to make this side instead of bronzer, like obviously bronzer, but instead of like a nice contour, I think I want to do something like kind of like skeleton-y. But once you get to this part, kind of drag it down a little bit. I think I'm just gonna grab another brush. It's very fluffy, but it's very thin, I guess. It's not super thin, but it's very thin, and it's really nice for even nose contours and stuff. So I'm gonna be using this for kind of like that little thing that I'm talking about. So going down for more of like a skull look. Good enough for me. I don't know if I should even put highlight, because let's put the fucking highlight on, bitch. For highlight, I'm gonna be using iluvsarahiix and Dose of Colors Soulmate highlighter. It's so fucking bomb. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I am going to highlight my inner corner because that's a must. Alright, so I'm basically done with that side. Now let's get gory. First things first, I'm going to cover my eyebrows with some glue. Basically, all you want to do is to stick your eyebrows to your skin. Soy! Soy! Oh, she hears me. I need a little blade. Soy! Soy! This bitch hears me, dude. This bitch hears me. I'm gonna grab a little spatula thing. This is just gonna help me really push my eyebrows. We're not really going to cover them up, like they're not gonna disappear, but we still don't want them to be, you know, poking out and shit. I'm just gonna do burns. I haven't done burns in any of my videos, any of my tutorials at all, so I'm gonna take some liquid latex. Ooh, and it stinks. So combos, some combos that I'm just going to tear apart, make it into little small pieces. That way it's a little faster and easier to work with. I'm just gonna take some of that liquid latex and just start. Oh, that should burn my eyes. Basically everywhere. It doesn't have to be like in certain spots, just wherever you want to cover up. And you're going to start feeling your face tightening up. Ease, okay? While I wait for that, I'm gonna put some black paint. This is a cream paint from NYX Cosmetics. I'm just gonna put this on my eye, and then I'll put some eyeshadow on top. That way I can cover it up a little bit more. Also, when you're doing like Halloween makeup, make sure you buy separate brushes for these types of makeup, because you don't want to use your good brushes because they will get fucked up. I'm also putting this in my waterline. And then I'm gonna go in with a black shadow. I'm just gonna go back to the Soft Glam palette. You know that there's some like blacks that aren't really blacks, and there's some blacks that are like midnight black, and this is one of them. I'm gonna dip in that black again, and I'm just gonna soften. Not that you really need to soften it, but I don't like seeing this shit like that. that this is the time that I should be putting the contacts in, because I don't know if I'll be able to put the contacts in after, before I even like start putting even more colors in. So this part is already tacky, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some scissors and I'm just gonna start opening. Leave it like this. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna go in with the foundation that I have put on this side of the face, the Urban Decay number 5, and I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna use the other side of that sponge that I had, just because I don't know if it'll ruin my actual beauty blender. In the holes that we made, we're gonna fill in that gap with black. I bought this 12 color flash color palette, and this looks exactly like the, I think it's the Makeup Forever that carries it. So it looks like this. It looks exactly like it, and I bought this for 20 bucks. Whereas the Makeup Forever one costs like, I don't even know how much it costs. I think it costs like 80 bucks or something, or even more. I honestly have no idea how much it costs, but I never got it because fuck that shit. I'm not gonna go broke because of a fucking palette. So when I saw this on Amazon, I was like, bitch, yes, I'm getting this fucking shit. The same brush that I use for my eyes, and I'm just gonna put that in there. And you want to make sure you really cover it up, that way no skin color shows. And it's okay if you go out, because we're gonna get messy on this side, honestly. So for the deep red, I'm gonna go with the NYX Vivid Bright Cream color in Bad Blood, and this is just like a deep blood. Actually, before even doing anything, I'm gonna go with this brown right here, just because I think that this is gonna make everything just go a lot faster. Oh, I think that we definitely need some like brown in here to make it like burnt, like, I guess. Bitch, I have been all over the place with this look, but I wanted to go with something more realistic. I mean, this looks good, yes, but it's not good enough for me. And since this is my first tutorial for Halloween, man, I've been fucking slack. I want to do this shit the bomb way. So we're gonna get some coffee, bitch. Coffee. And this I got at Old Town. Oh my god, this smells delicious. This pumpkin spice smells delicious. So I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't want to waste this shit. I'm going to put the liquid latex again, just so it has something to like grab onto. I'm wondering if I should just do it with my hand. I think I'm gonna go now with some spirit gum, because I don't want to smell. I mean, spirit gum also smells pretty fucking gross, but now I'm just going to go with like red, a little more black in like those areas that I still need to cover up. So I'm just gonna put black right here. And I'm gonna take Mulberry from the palette, from the Soft Glam palette, which is more like a red. And I'm just gonna put this like mostly on the sides of like the edges, I guess. Make it look like we are still healing, I guess. I'm gonna FaceTime my dad now. No. ¿Y
ese pelo negro?
Me lo pinté.
¿En serio?
No, es una peluca.
No te ve mal, mi amor.
No?
No, te creas, no, no es cierto.
No?
No es cierto.
Scab blood, I don't know. Let me just do a small amount on like, maybe on this wound. There's 3 stories. Some of them say that he got thrown like acid to his face, and then other ones say that he just was born deformed. I think I'm gonna put more coffee so it can look even more burned. And I kind of feel fucked up doing like a burnt person because people are actually burnt. What's up, baby?
Holy shit. That's fucking good as fuck, bro.
Thank you, baby. I'll call you back after, babe, because I'm recording still.
Yeah, call me after it looks
Alright,
good.
baby. Thank you, baby. Love you. I think that's pretty decent. I think that's okay. Honestly, I'm really happy with that. And my man is happy too, so I'm just gonna move on to what? Lips. Should I do red? I'm gonna outline with this lip liner from Mary Kay. I don't know why I have this shit. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this color. Okay, I'm gonna outline with this one. I love this color. I either have to go with like a very like red, even like brighter colors, or very dark colors. Like I don't even know if I'll be able to do this color. So I'm just gonna try it out. We're fucking done, bitch. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please follow me on all my social media so you can get the first look and first notification of when a video is up, or you can just hit that bell button right there so you can get notified, bitch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your October, bitch.